Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to unpin messages in Telegram group, and now let's dive right in. Now to unpin messages in Telegram group, guys, first open up the Telegram app on your phone. And after opening a Telegram app, guys, open up the group or the chat box of that group on which you had pinned a message recently. And you can see, guys, I had pinned a message over here at the top of the screen. Here is the pin message. Now, in order to unpin that message on the Telegram group, guys, at the right side of the message bar over here at the top of the screen, there is a cross or close icon available for us over here at the right side of the pin message, just below the three-dotted icon. Now, in order to unpin that message in the Telegram group, tap on that cross or the close icon, and this kind of pop-up box will appear where it says, are you sure you want to unpin this message for everyone? And that being said, guys, tap on the unpin button over here at the bottom right of this box. Tap on unpin, and that message will be unpinned on your Telegram group. And that being said, guys, this is how to unpin a message in Telegram group. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.